Welcome to this chapter overview from Aviation Human Factors, Theory, Research, and Applications for Advanced Aviation Systems by Ziakkas and Pechlivanis, CRC Press. This presentation introduces Chapter 2, Theoretical Frameworks and System Models. Why does this chapter matter? Because one accident needs many frameworks. They complement, they do not compete. The chapter maps the cumulative theoretical architecture of aviation human factors, tracing 9 complementary analytical frameworks from the shell interface model through to systems theoretic analysis. No single model explains an accident. A complete analysis layers them in sequence. By the end of the chapter, you will be able to critique the shell interface framework, analyze the error prediction properties of the skill rule knowledge taxonomy, evaluate Safety 1 and Safety 2 as complementary paradigms, compare HFACS and AcciMap as investigation methodologies, apply FRAM to a novel operational scenario, and apply stamp constraint analysis to a safety problem. The chapter unfolds in 6 moves: the shell model, information processing approaches, systems thinking in aviation, the Safety 1 and Safety 2 perspectives, human error models and organizational influences, and finally, resilience, adaptive performance, and systems theoretic analysis. If you hold on to one idea, make it this: no single model explains an accident. A complete analysis layers shell, information processing, SRK, systems thinking, Safety 2, and stamp in sequence. These frameworks are the cumulative intellectual capital of the discipline. The spotlight concept is the framework stack. Shell maps the interfaces, while information processing explains the mind inside them. The SRK taxonomy classifies how you are thinking and how that thinking fails. And Safety 2 and stamp explain drift and missing controls at the system level. The case that ties it together is the Boeing 737 MAX and MCAS, one hidden system with failures at 5 levels, read as a multi-level constraint failure. It is worked through in full inside the chapter. From theory to practice, 3 habits. When investigating any incident, ask which shell interface was implicated before assigning individual blame. When a situation feels unfamiliar, consciously recognize the shift from rule-based to knowledge-based processing and slow your decision-making down. And treat divergence between work as done and work as imagined as evidence of adaptive capacity. Map it and understand it rather than labeling it violation. That is Chapter 2, Theoretical Frameworks and System Models. One accident needs many frameworks. They complement, not compete. Read the full chapter in Aviation Human Factors, Ziakkas and Pechlivanis, CRC Press, 2026. Thank you for watching.